Open the door.
Okay, opening the door.
Close the door.
Okay, turning off the door.
Door open.
Okay, opening the door.
Door close.
Okay, turning off the door.
So to make this project, you need a Node MCU development board, 9-volt battery, lamp block, a power block, in and out block, servo driver, a servo motor, 9-volt battery connector, a breadboard, and a collection of jumper wires. So let's make it. So place the Node MCU on the breadboard and connect the servo with the motor driver. Then took a 9-volt battery and using a connector give power to the power block and also connect in and out block in series with it. Then connect the lamp block in series with the servo motor driver. Connect some jumper wire to in and out block to give power to Node MCU. Guys, there is no need to worry about connections. I will provide you the circuit diagram. Connect two jumper wires with the in and out to give power to servo driver. So after completing the wiring, our circuit looks like this. So now it's a time to make opening and closing mechanism. So I took a metal board and paste the switch on it using double-sided tape. Then I took a metal wire and connect with it to control the switch using servo motor. Then I paste the servo motor in this way so it can open and close the switch easily. So after completing this part, it looks like this. So guys, here is the circuit diagram for this project. So guys, let's configure Blink IoT. Click on new project, give project a name like I am giving home automation. Select board as Node MCU. Then create this project. A auth code will be sent to your email ID that we will use later. Add the button. Click on button setting. Give button a name. Like I will give it a name as controller. Then define the pin as D4 and turn push to switch. So guys, let's move to the coding part. Here we have defined everything. You have to just copy the code and paste the code in Arduino IDE. But you have to change the SSID, password and the auth code with your own. So let's select the right port and the board and make the code eligible to upload to Node MCU. So guys, it's a time to configure IFTTT. Click on create. Then click on if this. Search for Google Assistant. So click on say a simple phrase. Here we have to set the command that we will give to Google Assistant to trigger output. So I want it to turn on the door when I say turn on the door or door on. After that they will ask a question that what do you want in response from Google Assistant. So guys, when you're done, click on create trigger. So now let's move to the another part. Click on then that, search for web hooks. it will make a web request for us. So here you have to put the URL. So just type http:// copy this IP, which is for Indian Blink server. Guys, you can easily find out this IP in your command prompt. So open command prompt and type ping space blink-cloud.com. So guys, after some processing you will find an IP like 188.162.4.1. so basically here we get the IP for Indian Blink server. So just copy this IP and paste it. Then put this auth code which was sent to your email ID / type update / pin number as D14 for pin D4. Then select method as put. Select content type as application/JSON. In body type 0 in under bracket. So after completing the process, create the action. So when you say OK Google, turn on door, it will make a web request to Blink server and it will trigger the pin D4. So here we have successfully completed one applet to turn on the door. Now we will make another applet to turn off the door. So here it is showing the status that it is connected. Now let's come back to the home. Then create another applet. In the same way, search for Google Assistant. Say a simple phrase. So here let's set the command that you want to give to Google Assistant. Guys, go to the BitBlocks app and apply for TechFest Young Inventor program. If you won the competition, you will get lot of medals, certificates and a reward of 50,000 rupees. After completing the process, click on create trigger. So here we have successfully completed the first part. So in the previous way, click on then that, search for webhooks. That will make a web request for us. Type the same URL that we used later. Guys, BitBlocks will be the right choice if you want to learn robotics in easy way, because it makes the thing easier. And their product is like just plug and play. So guys, please check out BitBlocks. Select method as put, content type as application/JSON, and in body type 1 under a big bracket and in inverted comma. Then create action. Click on continue. So I think here we have successfully completed the another applet to turn off the door. So guys, here we have successfully configured IFTTT to get input and output. So now it's the time to test the project.
Open the door.
Okay, opening the door.
Close the door.
Okay, turning off the door.
Door open.
Okay, opening the door.
Door close.
Okay, turning off the door.
So guys, this is how you can make a IoT based project using BitBlocks.